Welcome to Torso at Chisholm Trail Ranch in Crowley, Texas, a dynamic community where your comfort, style, and extraordinary lifestyle take center stage. Imagine calling this breathtaking 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home with over 3,000 square feet of modern living space and soaring high ceilings your very own, with the possibility of closing in just 30 days. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted by an elegant brick exterior, a beautiful landscape front yard, and a spacious 2-car garage that sets the stage for this refined residence. Step inside to discover a bright, airy, open plan where high ceilings amplify the sense of space and light, perfect for lively gatherings and everyday family moments. At the heart of the home is a show-stopping open-concept kitchen featuring sleek white quartz countertops, premium stainless steel appliances, and modern cabinetry that reaches up to the ceiling. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet meal at home, this kitchen is designed to spark your culinary creativity. Retreat to one of the 5 generous-sized bedrooms, each offering a peaceful heaven after a busy workday. The 3 modern bathrooms, complete with stylish fixtures, spacious vanity, and elegant tile work, provide a spa-like atmosphere for both family and guests. And for those who work from home, a dedicated office space awaits, offering ideal settings to stay productive and in style. Beyond your new home, Torso at Chisholm Trail delivers an exceptional lifestyle. Enjoy a resort-style pool for those warm summer days and a fun-filled playground for the kids. And top-rated schools within the Crowley Independent School District are just moments away. And here's the icing on the cake, a fantastic $20,000 flex cash incentive. Choose from some options that we can discuss, such as $10,000 price reduction to lower your purchase price, or $10,000 towards closing costs to ease your out-of-pocket expenses. But that's not all. The Realty First Texas team will be on location this Saturday and Sunday for exclusive tours of this amazing home opportunity. Are you in a lease and truly ready to buy? Call Realty First Texas team at 817-785-9218. Remember, this just isn't a house. It's a lifestyle upgrade featuring high ceilings, state-of-the-art insulation, high-efficiency HVAC system, and smart home technology that alleviates some of your everyday tasks. Ready to experience modern elegance at its finest? Contact us today to schedule your tour and take the first steps towards making this dream home yours in as little as 30 days. We would like to thank you again for stopping by Property Spotlight Mondays, and we look forward to seeing you next week.